Sicon Documents is designed to enhance your document management processes by cutting back on paperwork, improving the efficiency of your business, and allowing you greater access to your documents. Attach documents, emails, orders and transactions within Sage 200, either by using a desktop scanner, browsing from a network location, or via drag and drop from an email. Document distribution can be used to make the emailing of documents to customers or suppliers as efficient as possible, while automatically archiving them at the same time. The document automation module is available at an additional cost and can be used to enable the ability for suppliers to email their invoices directly to your business. Those invoices can then be processed in Sage 200 with minimum effort. Storing business documents using this solution will aid your compliance with HMRC document retention regulations for the storage of your documents. Providing you have sufficient backups to cover the 6-year Inland Revenue document reproduction requirements, original documents can be destroyed once they've been scanned into the Sicon document solution, which could save up to 20% of admin time normally used for filing and searching for documents. Key features. Fully integrated with Sage 200. Sicon Documents is written within the Sage 200 development environment, working seamlessly with standard Sage features. Document distribution. Email and archive important documents such as purchase orders, sales invoices, etc. using predefined templates. Business documents can be emailed directly from Sage 200 with custom backgrounds and the ability to attach terms and conditions. Easy to use. Drag and drop attachments directly onto the Sicon Add Docs button for ease of filing. Key benefits. Sicon Documents is installed and maintained as part of Sage 200, meaning users do not have to learn any new software applications. Works with Twain compatible scanners for direct scan. Document indexing information is stored within the Sage 200 SQL database for fast and efficient searching. Prompts or options are given at the appropriate points of data processing. Documents are stored within the Sage 200 attachments path to ensure all documents are backed up with your Sage backup plan. Sicon Documents integrates with Sicon Approvals to show documents added within Sage 200 on the elements that require approval in the Sicon Approvals system. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.